Did you know that the last time the Yellowstone supervolcano erupted, it plunged the world into a volcanic winter? Imagine an explosion 1,000 times more powerful than the 1980 Mount St. Helens eruption. That's the kind of power we're talking about, a force that could alter life as we know it. So, why is everyone suddenly talking about the year 2025 in connection with this sleeping giant? Today, we're diving deep into the heart of America's most famous national park to uncover the truth. We'll separate the Hollywood hype from the hard science and find out what's really going on beneath the beautiful geysers and hot springs of Yellowstone. Is a catastrophic eruption just around the corner? Let's address the elephant in the room, the widespread fear that 2025 is the year Yellowstone blows. This idea has been fueled by sensational headlines, online theories, and a general anxiety about our planet's power. It's a terrifying thought, right? A cloud of ash blocking out the sun, global temperatures dropping, and widespread disruption. The public is understandably concerned, and even within the scientific community, there are ongoing discussions about how to monitor and predict the behavior of such a massive volcanic system. This uncertainty creates a perfect storm for speculation. But what does the evidence actually say? Is this fear based on solid ground, or is it just a rumor running wild on the internet? To understand the future, we have to look at the past. Yellowstone's caldera wasn't formed by a single event, but by a series of colossal eruptions. The three biggest ones happened 2.1 million, 1.3 million, and 640,000 years ago. If you do the math, you might notice a rough pattern of an eruption every 600,000 to 800,000 years. Since the last one was 640,000 years ago, some people believe we're due for another one. However, volcanologists are quick to point out that volcanoes don't run on a strict schedule like a train. These are natural systems with incredible complexity. The United States Geological Survey, or USGS, constantly monitors Yellowstone for any signs of unrest, like ground swelling, earthquake swarms, and changes in gas emissions. As of now, they report that the volcano is behaving as expected for a system of its kind. So what's the final verdict on 2025? Here's the key moment of truth. The most compelling evidence comes directly from the experts who study Yellowstone day in and day out. According to the USGS, the annual probability of a super eruption at Yellowstone is about 1 in 730,000. That's incredibly low. There is absolutely no scientific data, no spike in seismic activity, no unusual ground deformation, or any other geological sign that points to an impending eruption in 2025 or any time in the foreseeable future. The rumors are just that, rumors. While the volcano is still active and will certainly erupt again someday, that someday is more likely thousands, if not tens of thousands, of years away, not next year. To sum it all up, while the idea of a 2025 Yellowstone eruption makes for a dramatic story, it's not supported by science. The volcano's past is explosive, but its present state is stable. Staying informed with credible sources like the USGS is the best way to combat misinformation. What are your thoughts on this? Do you find supervolcanoes fascinating or terrifying? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're curious to learn more about the raw power of our planet, check out our next video on the biggest natural disasters in history. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the world around us. Thanks for watching.